Hey everyone, welcome back. So today we'll be making a money cover or envelope. So without any further ado, let's begin. So firstly we need is color paper or a white sheet. Then we need is a fevistick to stick. And we need scissors to cut. And also a scale to measure. Now let's begin. First I have taken the color paper of size 18.5 centimeter into 21 centimeter. Okay, now you have to take your scale and measure 4.5 centimeter from the top, and you have to mark it and you have to fold it. Okay, that point. Then down also 5.5 centimeter and you have to fold it. Now we are going to measure 1.3 centimeter at the corner and you have to fold it for the both sides. Now we are going to open it and you can see those four sides, right? The creases. We'll cut it out because there is no use of it. Now we are going to cut triangles from the thin part at the corner, as you can see here. For both the sides, we are going to do the same thing. The side which is having 5.5 centimeter, that is the big side, we'll be cutting a slant, just like this, for both the corners. Now it's time to stick these. First we'll keep the down part, that is the big part, and the corner thin part will be sticking onto it with the help of a fevistick, because if we use glue it may get dirty, so be careful. Curved design, we need a cardboard on which we will trace. First on the cardboard we'll be cutting the circular shape. Now we'll be placing it to the corner and we'll cut along it. Then we'll turn the cardboard to the other side and we'll place it on the other side and cut along it. So I have made with other colors as well, and yeah, it's ready. If you want to have such more craft videos, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.